Welcome to Melbourne, and we are right here on Bourke Street, and we're staying here for one night. Where are we at?
We are staying at the new Hilton Melbourne Little Queen Street, and it's just been open since 2021.
And of course, it's located in a heritage building that used to be a former barrister's chambers. So come with us and check out the 244 room here at the Hilton right in the Melbourne CBD.
Let's go!
Hilton Melbourne Little Queen Street opens its doors to guests in 2021, and the property is beautifully housed in this reimagined Heritage Equity Chambers building. Guests entering the hotel from the Bourke Street entrance will notice the neo-Baroque 1930s facade of the building and be welcomed by restored lifts that bring guests up to the lobby. Here is where one can still see the original paint on the wall that was used when the building was bustling with solicitors.
The hotel's main restaurant, Lucci, is located in the building's former Grand Banking Hall and serves contemporary Australian cuisine. The driveway entrance to the property is via the unassuming Little Queen Street opposite a colourful large-scale mural by local graffiti artist Kit Bennett, captured in the entrance's angled bronze panels. The reception is located here where we were warmly welcomed and our Hilton Honors Diamond membership was recognised. We were promptly given the keys to our room, eager to see our upgraded junior suite. Welcome to our little junior suite, and this is actually an upgrade from our basic room. So let's check out the bathroom, which is my favourite room. And right over here, the first thing that you will see is the his sink, and we do not need to fight over the counter. So I really love the design of the bathroom, which is just very minimal and very art deco-ish, and there is a lot of gold trimmings to accent the entire room. But of course, the very first thing that you will see is this standalone bathtub. However, it faces a building and probably it's a bit too close for comfort. It is actually under renovation. Probably you might be a little bit wary of the workers that might peek through. You'll be able to see some office workers over there, so they might actually look down. And of course, with all Australian bathrooms, there is no bidet in the toilet. The huge area for the shower is really quite nice and inviting, and of course the water pressure could be a little bit stronger if I might want to comment about that, but I really love the amenities, the bulk amenities that has been provided to us. And I come over here to the living space, which is nice and cozy, and you can lounge on the sofa comfortably and watching your favorite Netflix if you want to Chromecast, which we did actually last night. We actually realized that there is no office space or office desk. So if you want to work on a proper table, it is actually over here, right at the living space or your dining area. This little pantry comes equipped with 2 bottles of drinking water, and also an espresso machine with 6 capsules, a flask, and some tea sachets by Dilma. There is a lonely box of milk sitting in this refrigerator, mini bar size. Oh, but we love this. Oh, hi.
Sorry to disturb.
And that's a little strange for housekeeping to just barge in without knocking, and we have a late checkout till 1 p.m. but now it's only 11. Yeah. So coming back to the living area, this huge TV, as Ikram was trying to measure whether it matches the bedroom. So come over here, and he did this, walking sideways like a crab, and this is the bedroom, and this is, well, probably the exact same size. We love the huge TV actually. So I'll let Ikram tell you about the rest of the room.
So the bedroom area is really, really comfortable. Come, I'll show you. First, it looks out onto the main street, it can get a little noisy if we are on the second floor especially. And of course, if you are a light sleeper, you can always ask for a higher floor. Of course, it's all subject to availability. But let's...
The lowest floor is where the suites are, right?
Yeah, apparently so. So, I don't know. Apparently there's only a few number of suites. And there you have your usual bathrobes, nicely kept iron in a little container here. And then, of course, you have your ironing board, bedroom slippers, and everything else that's usually standard for a hotel. This is a really nice area just to put your luggage, and then you can hang your usual or clothes that you often use, so you can easily have access to them.
Especially winter jackets.
Yeah, of course, especially winter jackets. Very useful. For a new hotel, surprisingly, it does not include an international socket, only the Australian socket, but thankfully it does come with an alarm clock where it allows for you to charge your phone either using the wire attached or using the Qi wireless charging here, which is really fast. On this end of the bed are also more charging, such as your USB points. Again, not an international socket, but again, that is solved with the usual USB charge, and of course, the usual standard phone. You also have a reading light, which is very useful, and of course, the whole bed faces that huge TV that Adil just talked about. After settling into our room, we were ready to explore the rest of this beautiful hotel. The building was built in 1931 and was renowned for its architectural style and Italian Romanesque and Gothic detailing. Architecture and design studio Bates Smart was tasked to restore the original features of the building and inject new life to the site. Visitors can also choose to go on a self-guided tour of the hotel's history by scanning a QR code at each of the 8 stops, revealing the hotel's secrets. Besides learning the hotel's history, we were also on a mission to find the hotel's gym.
Did you find it?
Yes, we managed to find it. Thank you. Yeah.
If you go into the other lift,
Yeah.
you will see it on the wall.
Yeah, but from here we can't
From
see
here,
it.
no. I
Yeah.
don't think so, yes.
It's a bit strange. Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you. You too. Take care. Wait, it's open up. Finally. The gym is located in a rather secluded part of the hotel, but is decent in size and is equipped with the latest equipment and weights, making up for the absence of a swimming pool in this property.
The executive lounge is on the mezzanine floor of the hotel, and it's aptly called the Queen Adelaide Room, and it's very intimate. Just seats probably about 40 or 30 people, and the cocktail hours from 5 to 7 p.m. And it serves a pretty modest range of hors d'oeuvres, and you can see here just some lamb on a stick, and some pastries here as well.
Now here's a summary of our 1-week itinerary in and around Melbourne. The Great Ocean Road is a must when visiting Melbourne, especially for first-time visitors. We decided to self-drive to experience one of the world's most scenic ocean drives all the way to the world-famous 12 Apostles, or however many that's left of these iconic limestone pillars. Back in Melbourne, we drove to the Brighton bathing boxes to enjoy the beach and take photos with these bright, colourful boxes while filming some fun videos for our TikTok channel.
The Queen Victoria Market is another popular tourist attraction, and we took advantage of the winter night market that was taking place during our visit to soak in the wintry food market atmosphere with some cool music and sampled some amazing food from various culinary worlds that made Melbourne such a multicultural, cosmopolitan city. A drive up to the Dandenong Mountains required a quintessential visit to the Puffing Billy railway station and a stop at one of the many cafes in the area for a spot of tea and scones.
We also met up with Ikram's sister and her family who lives in Melbourne and decided to drive 3.5 hours to Bright, where we stayed for 2 nights in this beautiful scenic town.
We are here on our way to Falls Creek and Bright, an amazing city. Beautiful, only 2.5 hour drive from Melbourne, and I'm standing right here in this amazing river.
As typical Singaporeans who rarely experience winter weather, we find it amusing to be able to create smoke with just our mouths. Falls Creek is just 1.5 hour drive from Bright, where we were fortunate to have 21 cm of fresh soft snow welcoming us tropical boys to the ski resort. We enjoyed a full day of racing each other down snow slopes on toboggans and falling on our bums learning to ski and snowboard. Back in Melbourne, we explored the city's Chinatown, Bourke Street Malls, visited Ikram's alma mater, and relished on fresh shell out with the family.
Good morning, and we're here at breakfast at the Hilton Melbourne Little Queen Street. And as you can see here, we've opted for just the continental breakfast spread because apparently in Australia, they would actually charge you additional $10 when you opt for the hot breakfast. We didn't actually experience this in Singapore or in Cape Town, but apparently it is the norm in Australia. So we checked around what the hot dishes consist of, and it's mainly a lot of bacon and pork and your usual omelette and baked beans. So we decided not to opt for the hot breakfast and just for the continental breakfast, which I think is quite sufficient if you're not a huge breakfast eater anyway. So let's look at the selection that's available. So you do have your usual Danish bread.
So sadly, our trip has come to an end, and this is our last day in Melbourne.
And of course, we are here at the Hilton Melbourne Little Queen Street, giving you a review of what we think of the hotel.
So first and foremost, I really love the beautiful heritage architecture. It's just simply stunning when you walk in. It feels really, with a nice flair of Art Deco design, and you really get transported back in time.
And of course, this used to be a former barrister chambers, and you can see all the little intricate details that are still kept within the building. And there is also, of course, a nice heritage tour that you can scan on the QR code and just do a whole tour on your own around the hotel.
I personally love the location, and it's really convenient. The tram stop is literally just outside of the hotel. And in this really busy CBD area, you still get some
quiet area, right? At the Little Queen Street. It's a very nice, quaint, very quiet street where your taxi can just pick you up or just drop you off without any hassle. And that's just one corner of the entrance. The main entrance, of course, facing the very famous Bourke Street, and it's very busy. As you can see here, we're on the second floor of the building, and it looks directly onto the tram tracks. Not great if you are a light sleeper, but I think no issues with us. Of course, we love the Hilton mattress and bedding, which is renowned for the comfort and high thread count, and we really love that.
Yes, I really found it very hard to wake up this morning simply because I just wanted a nice slumber and I didn't want to leave Australia.
And of course, this is our very first day being a diamond tier Hilton Honors member. So we booked a entry level room and we got upgraded to a junior suite, which is fantastic. It's something that's one of the benefits you get as a diamond Hilton Honors member. Inclusive of that benefit would be access to the executive lounge and also continental breakfast. Now this is where it's a little strange.
Yeah, and we were pretty disappointed when we went to the breakfast this morning, knowing that we actually wanted to top up the additional $10 per person for a full breakfast. But, it looks very subpar in terms of the quality of the food and the array of the food. So we actually told them that we just wanted the continental breakfast simply because there were a lot of pork dishes or pork items, and also it really didn't look appetizing.
Yep. One of the other benefits, or rather lack of benefits for the Hilton Honors membership, your welcome amenities, welcome drinks. You don't really get that with your Hilton Honors as compared to other hotel memberships that we are in. So that's something to consider to see whether it's really worth investing in a Hilton Honors elite tier membership or not. But so far, we have been pretty impressed with all the various Hilton properties that we've stayed at in Singapore, Malaysia, Cape Town, here in Melbourne, and it's definitely worth considering.
Personally, I feel that I really love the Hilton touch as compared to Marriott, Westin, and all the huge brands. But that is just personally my own design taste.
Yeah. I absolutely love the Hilton brand as well, but I think certain things it feels as though it's half-hearted when it comes to the benefits. Continental breakfast as compared to a full breakfast, how much more does it cost?
Plus, you have to add $5 for a latte or one of those barista coffees, which is ridiculous.
Yeah, or if not, you just have to settle for the filtered coffee, which is really subpar.
Yeah, and on top of that, the baked goods were really, really not good at all. The best thing that I had was the English muffin, which probably was store-bought.
Wow, that's harsh. Okay, so how many meows are you going to give for the property?
Well, I'm going to give 3 meows.
I'm going to give 3 meows as well. Pity for the breakfast, but everything else is amazing. And of course, when we asked for a late checkout, we only managed to get it till 1 p.m. because someone else has booked the room.
Yeah.
We understand it's all subject to availability, but all these little things do add up.
In terms of the location, it's really convenient. It's just 7-minute walk away from the Southern Cross station, where you will get the airport shuttle.
So that rounds up our review of our stay at the Hilton Melbourne Little Queen Street. Until the next city and the next hotel, see you again.
Bye.
Bye.